In a deep, enchanted forest, a clever fox named Felix loved to explore. One day, while sniffing around an old tree, he found a shimmering golden wand lying on the ground. Curious, he picked it up and gave it a playful swish. To his surprise, a pile of juicy berries appeared before him. Felix's eyes sparkled with excitement. With this wand, I can have anything I want, he thought. He waved it again, and a towering stack of cheese and bread appeared. Soon, he had a mountain of food, a cozy golden den, and the softest bed in the forest. As he enjoyed his new treasures, Felix heard a weak chirping sound. A tiny bird had fallen from its nest and was struggling to fly. Felix glanced at his wand. I could make more food, or I could help. He hesitated for a moment, then pointed the wand at the tree. The wind gently lifted the bird, placing it safely back in its nest. The mother bird chirped happily, and suddenly, the wand vanished in a swirl of golden light. A soft voice whispered, "True magic lies in kindness, not in wishes." Felix smiled, realizing he didn't need a wand to be happy. From that day on, he used his cleverness to help others, not with magic, but with his heart. Moral: true happiness comes from kindness, not from having everything you want. Thank you for watching.